All right, so we're going to watch this video and listen to this guy. He can talk a little faster than I can. Ooh, and he's got good music, too.
All right, let's have some fun marching through these notions of translation. So in a marching drill, it takes 7 steps to march 4 yards. A drummer starts 7 steps to the right and 7 steps down from the center of the field. Let's call the center of the field in our coordinate plane the origin. So she starts 7 steps to the right and 7 steps down. So she starts here at 7, negative 7. All right, that's where she starts. Now let's check out what she does. She marches 14 steps to the left of her first position. So 14 steps to the left, this is 7 steps and 7 more steps, 14 steps. So now she's here. And then she marches 21 steps upfield to her final position. So here we go. Here we go. So that's 7, that's 14, and that's 21 steps. So now she's located right there. Oh boy, I want to mark that. I want to mark it. I want to mark it. I want to mark it. Now what actually is that point? We can see it's negative 7, 14. Even though we started here and we went 14 units this way and 21 units up that way, the coordinates themselves, we can see negative 7, 14. So that's where she ends up. And the question is, what is the drummer's final position? Well, we just answered that. In fact, negative 7, 14. We just so look how we think like mathematicians, because we just say, well, what is that? It turns out that's the rest, but what is it?
By the way, y'all think I'm weird. No, not the only one. This is also number 8 in your workbook. Just saying. Okay, sorry. I'll start the video again.
Here's a little follow-up. What single translation vector moves her from the starting position to her final position? So starting position here to her final position here. And we can see the answer. The answer is going to be this vector right here, which means we move 14 units in the left. So that's negative 14. This is a vector. I'm going to use that square parentheses. And then 21 units up. And so the vector that does that is this. And that vector, by the way, if you want to see it for yourself, is exactly this vector right here.
Oh.
It moves us 14 units to the left and 21 units up. And there you have it. Feel free to march on with these notions of translations, and I think you'll find them quite enjoyable. And I know they're a lot of fun. I'll see you.
All right, so listen. That was number 8. There you go. Another free problem.